Engine 15 responding, engine 4 responding. Engine 38 responding. Quint 38 responding. Quint 38 responding.
Battalion 3 responding.
Battalion 3 responding.
Dispatch, engine 4.
Dispatch for engine 4. Come in.
From engine 4 at scene in command of order from fire. Just take a second to log. This is a medium, one-story strip mall. We have smoke visible from the alcove. Looks like it's extending into the void spaces. We have reports of a victim in the center unit, which is Kai's Bakery. Engine 4 is front smoking a hydrant and pulling a pre-connect to the Kai's Bakery center unit for fire control. For the offensive strategy, Engine 4 has alpha accountability, establishing Cooke Street Command and completed by 360. No fire on the Charlie, one story. We're still in the offensive strategy. Break. Engine 29 from command. Dispatch from command of that engine 29, backing up engine 4 in the back Kai's barbecue with the primary search. Break. Quint 38 from command.
Engine 4 is at scene.
Quint 38 from command.
This is Quint 38 from command.
So when you guys get here, this is a commercial building. Spot to your best advantage, get up with support and secure utilities. I think I saw the gas shut up on the Delta side.
Quint 38 copy. Report and utilities. For dispatch copy. Engine 4 at scene of a medium-sized single-story strip mall working fire coming from the Alpha Center unit. Engine 4 is establishing a water supply stretching that half line to the center unit for fire control. Engine 4 is in the offensive strategy, establishes Cooke Street Command. A second alarm has dispatched. Reports of a victim in the center unit. We are sending EMS, HPD, and equal to this incident.
Engine 15, level 1.
And Cooke Street Command also reports 360 complete. Will remain offensive. And alpha accountability with engine 4.
Stand by. Okay, go ahead and spawn on the way. Now 2.5 off of engine 4 into the Delta 1 exposure for fire control. Come on, engine 4 lines up, please assist the engine 4 interior for primary search. Remain entry. Great copies, engine 29. Command from engine 4 apparatus. Going. There's a bystander witness to this one patient or one victim in the affected unit. Okay, command, from engine 4, one on the fire. Command, engine 38, level 1. Engine 38 from command, go ahead and spot out of the way, grab an additional pre-connect from engine 29, go to the Bravo 1 exposure for primary search and fire control. Engine 38 copy, second line off of engine 29, primary search, fire control, fire extension, Bravo 1 exposure. Oh, that's a correction, you're not going to pull that off of engine 29. Can you bring your app? Are you still at your apparatus? Engine 30, you can go ahead and pull an additional 2.5 off of engine 4, go to the Bravo 1 for check for fire extension and primary search. Go ahead, engine 2, already traffic, I have a victim. I have a off position. Making a way to the alpha. Give me EMS out there. Grand copy, starting traffic, bringing a patient out. Break. 238. I need you to relocate with your medical gear to the alpha side. You'll receive a victim from engine 29. Copy that from Quint 38. Sending 2 personnel to the alpha side. I'm not under control. Primary unit. Dispatch, Patrick. Battalion Christie. Command from Battalion 3. Engine 4, apparatus from engine 38, you're ready for water, driver's license. There you go, I'll take your license. Come on, from engine 29. We're expecting in the position. We're taking on the front of portion up. On the back side, that's the other. Ready from engine 4, water's in. Back 3. Come on, 3. Yeah, command, understand you have engine 4 and engine 29 in the fire unit, engine 38 in the Bravo 1 for fire control primary search, engine 15, and then Delta 1 primary search fire control. That's correct. Confirming. Give me a can. That's correct. And we have fire control in the main fire unit are needed for ventilation. We also have that victim on the alpha side. Send EMS right behind engine 29. Command from 138. Ready for moving fire. Command engine 29. It's good. From the side, I'm going to take you from here. Engine 38. Give me a can. Come back from engine 38. We have a home here. Bravo 1, Bravo 2, over no fire extension. Back up the all clear, no fire extension. And Bravo 1, Bravo 2. Break, engine 15, give me a can. Quint 38, from command, give me a report. Command, we have light smoke coming from the middle of the structure. Not Nothing else showing. We have HVAC on the Bravo Charlie corner and the Delta Charlie corner. Command copy. Lake smoke showing for HVAC on the Bravo Charlie, Delta Charlie. Quint 38 from command. I'm gonna have you vent to Bravo 1 and Bravo 2. Command from Engine 38, wait for reassignment. Engine 38 from command. Go ahead and assist Engine 15 with primary search, fire control in the Delta 1. Engine 38, copy. Command, this is 209. That is changed. Go ahead, 29. Alright, what's the expectation of victim? We're entering off the Quint 38 on the west side. We're good on there, we're ready for reassessment. Copy, Engine 29, you have fire control, primary search done and the fire. Cody. Coming in from Engine 4 with the status change. Great, Engine 4. From Engine 4, we have a primary all clear in the main fire unit 9 barbecue. Command copy, you have a primary all clear, you also have fire control. Fire dispatch from Engine 4 apparatus. Could you send an EMS unit to Engine 4 location?
Fire dispatch copy. EMS unit to the Alpha site with Engine 4.